Gray oak is a mid to large-sized tree capable of growing up to 50 foot tall at maturity. The leaves are elliptical with smooth edges, alternate arrangement, and appear to be a dull green color. Gray oak is very common in the Trans-Pecos region and is typically found in canyons and draws.
Gray oak is considered a number 2 choice browse plant that grows best on hillsides, draws, or canyons in West Texas. All classifications of livestock, exotics, elk, white-tailed deer, mule deer, pronghorn, and bighorn sheep will browse on gray oak, especially the younger and more tender leaves. All wildlife relish the ripened acorns each fall, especially feral hogs, quail, and turkey. The stout branches provide excellent nesting and roosting sites for many bird species, especially turkey. Leaves are blue-green in color, generally smooth-edged or perhaps with paired notches. Each leaf is heavy and tough, while the young leaves are more palatable and digestible. The bark is thin and gray colored, but not as thick as most other oak species. Crude protein of new leaves averages 15%, while mature leaves may range throughout the spring and summer in the 10 to 12% range. The acorns are highly desirable and digestible and provide a good fat, energy, and protein source for all wildlife species during the winter months. Gray oak grows slowly and produces a very hard wood and is drought and fire resistant. All wildlife species utilize it for shade and of course forage, so managers and hunters should keep a close eye on it for signs of excessive use. Livestock oftentimes lay underneath it for prolonged periods and limit the underbrush, but where rocks prevent livestock access and some small underbrush is present, these become prime bedding and hiding areas for mature mule deer, elk, and trophy aoudad sheep. Prescribed fire can rarely reach and harm the trees, but wildfires may cause it to resprout. Excessive browsing pressure may limit or even kill it in these situations, so careful monitoring may be required to ensure regrowth success. There is no need for chemical or heavy equipment control efforts, but know that chemicals can negatively impact it if you are treating for other nearby plant species. Heavy equipment can injure and or kill a tree if you knock too much of the bark off when carelessly bumping into it. Gray oak is a valuable plant on the landscape that offers all wildlife some form of protection, shelter, or food and should be protected as much as possible. In a typical working cattle ranch with moderately stocked native and exotic species, it is difficult these days to find many young trees, so conservative stocking is required to ensure new gray oak regrowth.